Story of Ali and the Killer. Ali was a great man. He was brave and wise, kind and good. He was a famous soldier. He fought and won many battles for Islam. He was Caliph of the Muslim world. His rule was justice and kind. People loved him because he was always helpful and kind to the poor. When Ali became Caliph, he went to live in Kufa. Kufa is a city in Iraq. Before he lived in Medina. Medina is a city in Hejaz, which is nowadays a part of Saudi Arabia. One early morning, Ali went to the Mosque of Kufa for prayers. There were some people in the mosque. One man was sleeping with his face downward. He had a hidden sword under him. His sword was poisoned. The man pretended to be sleeping. His name was Ibn Muljim. Ali entered the mosque and began his prayers. While praying, he bowed his head to Allah. From the back came Ibn Muljim and with his poisoned sword struck a deadly blow on Ali. Ali fell down bleeding. Ibn Muljim ran away. The other people saw this tragedy. They found Ali wounded and bleeding. He was bandaged. Meanwhile, people outside the mosque saw Ibn Muljim running with a blood-red sword in his hand. They ran after him. After much pursuing, they caught him. Ibn Muljim was brought before Ali when Ali was still in the mosque. Frightened, Ibn Muljim stood before Ali. His breathing was heavy because of the running. He was also thirsty that Ali could see. Then Ali was taken to his house. There was much crying and weeping in whole Kufa. At this time, milk was brought for Ali. He looked at the milk and said, "Give a glass like this one to Ibn Muljim also. He is very thirsty." The milk was given to the culprit. He gratefully drank and quenched his thirst. Ali died 2 days after because of the wound given by Ibn Muljim. Moral: to have mercy upon even your worst enemy is a great noble act.